On Sunday night, Kára McCullough was crowned Miss USA. It was a pretty neat win, considering that Kára is a nuclear scientist beauty queen, but when comments that she'd made during the competition began circulating widely, well, it got a little less neat. During the question and answer segment, Kára was asked if healthcare in America is a privilege or a right, and her answer shocked many. "I'm definitely going to say it's a privilege," she said, going on to explain that as a government employee, I'm granted health care. And I see firsthand that for one, to have health care, you need to have jobs, so therefore we need to continue to cultivate this environment so that we're given the opportunities to have health care as well as jobs for all Americans worldwide. It's a questionable stance. Just check out Jimmy Kimmel's story about his newborn son that required heart surgery soon after birth if you're having trouble understanding why. Of course it would be wonderful if everyone could have jobs and afford health care, but that's not the reality, and people shouldn't have to suffer or die because of that. In addition to the health care statement, Kára also had some strange words when asked about feminism. As a woman scientist in the government, she said, "I'd like to lately transpose the word feminism to equalism. I don't really consider myself, try not to consider myself like this die-hard, you know, like oh, I don't really care about men. That's not what feminism is anyway, but okay, honey, sure." Kára went on to add that one thing I'm gonna say, though, is women, we are just as equal as men when it comes to opportunity in the workplace. And I say firsthand, I have witnessed the impact that women have in leadership in the medical sciences, as well as just in the office environment. So as Miss USA, I would hope to promote that type of leadership responsibility globally to so many women worldwide. Yes, so as you can imagine, these statements didn't go over so well. And so now our brand new Miss USA is trying to spin that mess into some positivity in the form of a new interview with the News. About the backlash, Kára said that's what life is about. You have to roll with the punches. When challenges are thrown your way, you have to understand how to maneuver around them. I think having that mindset comes with loving science so much. When asked about those controversial questions during the pageant, she said that they were about social issues going on in our nation, and I think it's wonderful that we're able to answer them as well as start conversations about these types of issues. Of course, no one wants backlash, she added. No one wants to be talked about badly. That's the beauty of life. We're given that opportunity to share our opinions, and as long as we can continue to keep this open dialogue and have people integrating and sharing ideas, everyone's minds are really going to expand. And then, naturally, she took the chance to clarify her statements about healthcare. As a woman, she began, I will own up to what I said. I would love to clarify the points on that answer. Essentially, yes. I am privileged to have health care and I'm extremely thankful for it. I do believe affordable health care should be a right to all. I know as Miss USA, promoting a healthy lifestyle is a message I want to get across as well.